Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Bennett. I have been Zooming with some kids the past couple weeks, and I have noticed that we need a little review on our TCH and our CK patterns. Both of those patterns, TCH and CK, are part of our short vowel rules, meaning both of these patterns follow a short vowel. So when we look at these two patterns, for example, a C can say k, a K can say k, and CK can say k, but we only use CK after a short vowel. For example, if I were going to write the word sick, I'm going to talk to my marker. S-I-K. Short vowel, CK, sick. So there is my word, sick. Now, let's write the word bike. Ready? B. I. K. But now hold on 1 second. I hear that I saying his name. So I need a silent E to tell that I to say his name. Now, if you look at this word right here, bike, I left out the k sound. Now, really, I have three different options. C says k, K can say k, and CK can make the k sound. Now, in the word bike, I cannot use the CK. If I were to put CK up here, there's a couple things wrong with this. First of all, CK only comes after a short vowel. In this word bike, the I is saying his name. That's long. So automatically CK is disqualified. He's thrown out. But also remember that silent E can only jump over one consonant. And if you put C and K in there, he's going to have to jump over the K and the C, and he's going to lose his power. So CK will not work in this word. It does not follow a short vowel. Then if we look at our other two possibilities, we have C and K. And I'm not sure if you remember this, but if I were to put C in there, yes, the E can still jump over and tell that I to say his name. But now look what's going to happen here. Remember that we learned that an E has special power over a C too. So that E is actually also going to make that C make the S sound. That's his soft sound. So he's going to sound like an S. So really, this would be the word bice. I don't want bice. That wasn't my word. My word was bike. So if CK is not going to work and the C is not going to work, we need a letter with a strong enough backbone to hold up against that E. And that's going to be our K. So the E can still jump over and tell the I to say his name, but the K is strong enough to hold himself against that E and isn't going to let him soften him. So in these two words, sick and the word sick, I used CK because I had a short vowel. Short vowel, CK. In the word bike, I could not use CK because there was not a short vowel. So short vowel, CK. And that same rule applies for our TCH. We use TCH after a short vowel. So for example, in the word fetch, like a dog might fetch a bone, I'm going to talk to my marker. Ch. Now really I have two different patterns that make that ch sound. I have TCH and I have CH. When I look at this word though, short vowel, I use TCH, fetch. Short vowel, TCH. And let's do the example of the word church. If I were to write the word church, I hear ch, UR is going to make that sound in the word church. Ch, ch. Now, at the beginning, I hear the ch sound. I will never find TCH at the beginning of a word because he has to follow a short vowel. So he can never be at the beginning. So I'm going to use CH for the beginning. Ch, ch. Now I have two possibilities. It could be CH or it could be that TCH. And I'm going to fit him right under there. I'm running out of room. But when I look at these patterns, remember, TCH follows a short vowel. So let's look at right before him. Right before him, this UR is making the sound. That's an R controlled. So remember, our short vowel sounds are a, I, and So there is not a short vowel sound there. That's an R controlled. So if there is not a short vowel, I can't use TCH, which just leaves me with our CH. So when I look at the two words fetch and church, fetch, again, remember I used TCH because there was a short vowel, TCH. In the word church, I use CH at the beginning because TCH can never come at the beginning. And I also use CH at the end because right before him was an R controlled, not a short vowel. So just remember as you're writing, don't forget those rules that we practiced during the school year, but TCH and CK only come after short vowels. So practice those patterns, don't forget them, and I hope that you're still practicing our drill with all our other patterns that we've had. So I have a video on that, so make sure that you check that out and you continue to practice. Don't forget our patterns, guys. I miss you terribly, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye, guys.